Welcome, and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ainsley Fiora with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, April 6, 2009. Hedge fund GLG Partners has bought Nicola Horlick's business, SG Asset Management UK, for about £4.5 million. According to the Financial Times, GLG has acquired the business from French bank Société Générale, making it one of the cheapest ever acquisitions of a fund manager relative to assets. GLG is planning to place its own managers in charge of picking stocks for the UK funds, while also selling its own onshore £200 million long-only UK fund via the SGAM sales team. The firm is planning to rename SGAM UK with the GLG brand. Staying with hedge fund news, the European Union has asked all hedge fund and private equity managers in Europe to detail their activities to financial regulators. According to the Financial Times, under the proposed draft, managers of portfolios worth less than €250 million can enjoy a de minimis exemption. The new rule will apply equally to hedge funds and private equity managers, as well as commodity and real estate funds. The first of their kind rules in the world are being drawn up after pressure from the G20 to extend the regulatory net to all players in the financial markets. And in more hedge fund news, hedge fund firm Ziff Capital Management has suffered additional redemptions as clients continue to withdraw billions of dollars. According to Financial News, the firm has had $5.2 billion in redemptions from January 1st through March 1st this year. Around 28% of the firm's investor base consisted of fund-to-funds, which represented the majority of its redemptions in the fourth quarter of 2008. And in other hedge fund news, Unitas Capital, an Asian-focused private equity firm, has shuttered its Tokyo office to concentrate on deal opportunities in the rest of the region. According to Reuters, despite closing its Tokyo office, Unitas has been recruiting in Australia and is hoping to make further appointments in Shanghai. Unitas, previously called CCMP Capital Asia, has spun out of JP Morgan and had raised $1.2 billion for its buyout fund, Asia Opportunity Fund 3. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.